In this video, we will discuss about the scattering of light. What is scattering of light? The path of a beam of light passing through a true solution is not visible. If you allow white light to pass through a true solution, then its path is not visible. Path of the light is not visible through the in a true solution, but its path becomes visible through a colloidal solution. If you allow white light to pass through a glass of water containing some milk or milk water, then you can see the path of light through the colloidal solution. Okay. So in colloidal solution, the size of the particle is relatively larger in comparison to the particle size in true solution. When a beam of light strikes such fine particles, the path of the beam becomes visible. Okay. So when the beam of light strikes the fine colloidal particles, then the path of the light, due to scattering effect, the path of the light is visible. Okay. The path of the beam becomes visible. The light reaches us after being reflected, okay, diffusely by these particles. Diffuse reflection means it can reflect at any angle. Okay. Diffuse. So when light falls on the colloidal particles, it is reflected at any angle. Okay. This property of light is called scattering. So in scattering, reflection occurs in any direction. The phenomenon of scattering of light by colloidal particles is called Tyndall effect. Okay. This scattering of light by colloidal particles was first demonstrated by Tyndall, so it is called Tyndall effect. The color of the scattering light depends upon the size of the scattering particle. This is very important phenomenon in scattering. The color of which color of light will scatter, okay, that depends upon the particle size. So why the color of the sky is blue? When sunlight passes through the atmosphere, it encounters with the air molecules. Okay. The size of the molecule is capable of scattering the blue light more strongly than other colors. Okay. The mixture present in the atmosphere is capable of, the molecular size of the mixture is capable of scattering blue light more in comparison to the other colors. The scattered blue light enters our eyes, that is why the sky appears blue. The molecules also scatter other colors of the sunlight, but most of the particles inside in the atmosphere scatters blue light. If the earth had no atmosphere, there would not have been any scattering. Then the sky would have looked dark. Okay. If the earth have no atmosphere, then the earth would have looked dark. The sky appears dark to passengers flying at a very high altitude because scattering is not prominent at high such high altitudes or high such heights. The sky appears dark instead of blue to an astronaut. Due to this phenomena, the sky appears dark to the astronaut because the astronaut is at very high altitude, so scattering effect is not usually felt by the astronaut. Why danger signal lights are red color. Why use red color of light as a danger signal? Because red color is least scattered, okay, by fog or smoke. That is why we use a red light as a danger signal. You see in this figure, if the particle size is small, then blue light will be scattered. Blue light will be scattered by this particle. If particle size is larger, then this size is larger than this size, so your red light will be scattered. If particle size is again larger than this size, then white light will be scattered. So which light will be scattered, that depends upon the size of the particle. Okay. So this is a brief idea about scattering of light. In the next video, we will discuss more about scattering of light. Thank you.